Oh yeah.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I know for a fact, God, I know I say this all the time, but today I know for a fact that this video today is going to be relatively quick because I'm coming off of the heels of that last video you guys saw with the lights that I did in the back of the car and everything like that. So I think for this video, I'm gonna get a nice little wide shot. I'm gonna sit right back over here. I think for this video, I'm gonna, like I told you guys in that video, I'm gonna put those lights on the side of my little winglet thing that I got from Vicrez on the side of the side splitter. I think I'm gonna put the lights there. What's dope is, I was looking around for a bunch of like just LEDs because I was like, okay, how expensive is it just to get like just a bunch of LEDs? And I think I was able to find them. It was like, I think I got like 10 LED strips, and I'll show them to you in a minute. Oh my God, I don't even remember the price. I just know I saw them. It was like 10 LEDs. I think it was like $6, $7. I could be around that. Like, yeah, let's do that. It's the same LED, same LED type like I got for the rear. And I was like, hell yeah, let's do that. So yeah, I did that, and I was already setting it up last night to kind of meet me halfway, like stripping the wires and all that stuff like that, because I don't see myself doing that for this video. You guys already seen how I wired the back. It's gonna be basically and relatively the same process. The reason why I'm also gonna speed up this process today is because Clean Culture is down in Orlando today. So I want to make, I'm not gonna be in the event. I'm not registered or anything to be in the event, because they're gonna be doing trophies and all that shit like that. It's gonna be from 4 o'clock in the afternoon to 10 at night. I don't even see myself being there that long, but car guy shit. I might say, hey, I'm gonna be there for like an hour, and then I'm there till 11 o'clock at night. Or at least until when people roll out. I don't know. I'm by myself, so I'm not like gonna be there with my brother. My brother is, younger brother is out camping, and my middle brother, Mike, he's still down in Miami. So I'm by myself. I don't have anybody to go with me. That kind of sucks, because it makes the experience doper when you got like people to go with you. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all know what I mean. It just makes it more dope. But yeah, I'm going to do the lighting today on the side of the car, and you guys let me know what you think, man. I think it's gonna be dope. I think it's gonna give the side of the car a lot of love, like a lot of love, and it's gonna highlight. See, because the only way you really see the side splitter winglet thing is if you kind of get up close, or you kind of give a look at it, like, oh shit, you got some shit on the side. So I want to at night, because at night you won't be able to see shit because it's black, it's dark, everything is. But I want to be able to put those lights in there and do it. So I'm gonna switch the camera now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, so that right there is what I'm talking about. So that winglet piece, I'm gonna put the lights in there so it can cast the light on the side of the car, and that'll bounce the light back off on the actual winglet to kind of give it a better look and impression. Because again, you guys saw in the last video, this is all lit up right here. So I want to do the same thing for this. Now I do have, let me actually get up so I can show you guys. I do have, I did buy another set of these lights. I'll show you right now. Having one hand is just crazy. Yeah, so I bought another set. Let me put the camera right. All right, so these are the LEDs I was talking about. I got 10 of these. Like, I think it was like $6, $7 for 10. I couldn't pass that deal up. Every other LED light I was seeing was $15 here, $30 here, $20 here. Like yeah, okay, whatever. So I got these. These are the ones I got like 10 of them that came in. So that's dope. I even tested them too. So, with that little trick I told you guys to do. And then I also bought these. I already had another set of these. These are actually really dope. They're really super bright. and they only show out of this one side. So the sides right here, the side right here, they don't show. They only show right here, super white bright on that side right there. If I have a little bit of chance or time, I want to do the little test thing to kind of show you guys. Again, I don't want to make this video too long, guys. I really don't. I really don't. But if I have a little time, I'll test it out for you so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, so I had to crack open the Monster. As I always do. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, I'm always drinking these shits. To me, I think these are the best tasting ones. Shout out to TJ Hunt. So yeah, I have a lot of these little lights and shit inside here, some wiring. I don't know how much of the wiring I'm gonna need, to be honest with you. I hope I don't have to use a bunch. If I can bridge some of the wiring together, that'll be dope. But I wanna go ahead and take out definitely the red, and I know I have a new black or fresh black in here. I think I have an old black ground wire. I do, but it's not long enough. All right, that's fine. That's fine. So I think I should have enough with this, the red and the black sitting on the side here. I don't know if I want to have it come back to these wires, which I think I might, to be honest with you. I might strip them, have it come back so that when I do turn the lights on in the front, it's all pulling from the same light source. The thing is I'm worried about is having to go under and over the wheel. This was that was fine. But this, like, I don't know how that's gonna work. And to be honest with you, y'all, I do not wanna have to jack this goddamn car up. But if I have to, in the name of science, I think I may have to. But, so let's get that started. Let's see what I gotta do. Let's go. All right, y'all. Excuse the toes. My toes is mad exposed right now. Jesus Christ. So yeah, I was trying to put the light in here. Now, my original idea, as I was telling you guys, the vents, the little vents that they have right here, I was trying to like maybe put it like in here to kind of accentuate the, you know, the light bouncing off of the car and then hitting here and coming through the vents on some Batman shit. But the what you call it, the LED is a little too long. Now, I'm thinking I can cut the amount that I need and actually get that look. But the thing is, I don't know how it's gonna look. Now, the other way to be able to utilize all of the LEDs that are in this strip, the other way, oh God, I need to get either a second person, hire somebody else to record me or something. Jesus Christ, this is crazy. The second idea is to put it like right along the side, like right here. From this end, laying it flat like this. You know what I'm saying? Like laying it against this. So it's coming across, and then the wire would just tuck under this side. Here's the thing. What I'm gonna do is connect it all together. I'm gonna wire it all together, and then I'm gonna close the garage and turn off the light. Turn on the running lights in the front of the headlights, and see what's the best possible position for the LED light to be in. I don't know yet. I don't want to commit to putting it this way, and I don't get the actual effect that I'm looking for. But when I connect it and I put it up here and I put it the way I actually want it to be, and I get the effect, I'm chopping some of that LED off because it would make sense to do it that way. And I believe, don't quote me, I believe these are the ones where you can cut, you know, this little piece right here, that's right here, like right between the circuit board or whatever. I'm hoping that I can cut that. I don't even know. I don't even know if that's gonna do anything to the actual strip. I don't want it to do anything to the strip, but we'll see. Let's see. Just recorded that. So yeah, guys. This side here, this is the driver's side. I actually took a little bit of time with this one. The passenger was a little, But this shit, I actually had to take the tire off for this one. The other side, I didn't have to take the tire off. Because it had enough points of locking that I can be able to put in there. Like, my hands are dirty too, so please excuse the hands. I didn't put on no gloves because I honestly didn't think I would need to do anything dirty or whatever, but I had to, for this side at least. I went and I put it under, because I didn't want it shooting across, you know, the wheels moving, shocks are moving up and down. I didn't want nothing fraying or chipping it or whatever the case may be. So I tied it right there, and I don't know if you can see it right in there. And I shot it across under the little drum, the little back drum that's right there, the little bucket, whatever, you know the bucket, guys. And it's under that, it's shot across, and it's holding up. And it's just for temporary, it's just temporary right now, because I want to just see how this is gonna look. Again, I double-sided taped it with some more 3M tape, because like I told you guys before, that tape that's on that comes with it I don't think that's gonna hold up anything. But I think the way this is set up now, I should be able, I'm thinking it's gonna work this way, like, because if I do it this way, it's just, I don't know, it's just not gonna work to me, but I think it'll be enough light for it to be able to shine the way I want it to shine laying down. So let's do that. Let's put that on and go from there. So yeah, that's the end of the video, y'all. I think it came out pretty well, man. I had the vision in mind for it, and I executed it, and that was, it came out pretty well. The only small gripe that I have, that maybe some of you, keen-eyed, viewers, and I know, I have a lot of them, which is dope. I love the fact that I have people that are watching the videos and pinpointing certain things, certain elements of like cause for awareness to look out for. I get messages all the time. Oh, Sean, you could have did this, or maybe you could have, and I love that. You know what I'm saying? But some of you guys would have saw that the lights on the winglet were a little dim. They were a little, the lower lighting LEDs than the ones that are in the actual back on the side. And either I got to do one or two things: either try to find the same type of light that is the ones that I have on the back diffuser side fin pieces, or double up. Let me see if I double up on the LEDs that I have. This is the bag I was telling you guys. I didn't show it to you guys, I think in the last clips and stuff like that. So these are all the LEDs that I bought. They came in one little baggie like this. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and just double up the LEDs. Let me try that out first. They don't cost much of anything. They're really cheap, inexpensive. If that doesn't work, and I'm gonna just go the route that I probably should go, which is getting the exact same LEDs from the back on the side. So, but again, all this stuff is a process, man. I'm also gonna be doing some more recordings of some car meets and stuff that I'm going to. So be on the lookout for that, y'all. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you can. And as always, be grateful, be humble, be positive. Stay driven. One.